मुनिन्द्र वृंदवंदिते त्रिलोकशोकहारिणी प्रसन्नवक्त्र पंकजे निकुंज भूविलासिनी व्रजेन्द्र भानुनंदनी व्रजेन्द्र सूनु संगते कदा करेष्यसि यमां कृपा कटाक्ष भाजनम. When you come to Mathura or Vrindavan, how can you speak a word without raising your hands up? Everyone, can you please raise your hands up once? Yeah, please, please. थोड़ी सी efforts लगेंगी, but once you do it, बहुत आनंद आएगा. दोनों हाथ उठा के 3 बार हम बोलेंगे राधे 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 राधे. So my name is Govind Krishnadas and I belong to the land of Bhagavad Gita or Mahabharat, where Krishna spoke his transcendental message, the Bhagavad Gita. People know me on the YouTube as GKD, Govind Krishnadas ka GKD kar diya, because you have to be creative, just like SRK. So I feel very, very honored and my heart is filled with gratitude to be amongst all of you, such an august assembly. I'd like to start my talk with a very interesting story. Story make things very simple, but the lessons are very profound. Please try to give me a little bit of attention because the lessons from this one story can change your entire life. Once there was a boy, a little boy, his name was Nimai. Nimai from a very young age was very intellectual, very creative. Just at the age of 5, he became a Pandit. Pandit in Sanskrit means scholar, very scholarly. बड़े से बड़े जो वेद मंत्र है वो 1 सेकंड में याद कर लेता था. Many big scholars used to be baffled when this little 5-year-old Nimai used to speak. जब वो बोलते थे बड़े से बड़े ऋषि और संत बस चुपचाप बैठकर देखते थे. ये 5 साल का बच्चा कैसे इतनी लंबी बड़ी बातें कर रहा है. As he grew up, as Nimai grew up, he composed a book. He wrote a book. And he wanted to share his manuscript with a friend. His friend Raghunath was also a very big scholar. वो भी बड़े scholar थे. तो एक दिन निमाई आया और उसने अपने मित्र से कहा, रघुनाथ, I want you to see what I have written. Can you please listen? I'll speak something and you just listen to what I have written. Raghunath said, why not Nimai? बताइए आपने क्या लिखा है? When Nimai started speaking, Raghunath was astonished. Such deep knowledge, so much intellectual philosophy. Tears started coming from Raghunath's eyes. Raghunath रोने लग गया. निमाई ने देखा, अरे रघुनाथ तुम रो क्यों रहे हो? अरे अभी तो बहुत कुछ पढ़ा है, अभी तो मैंने शुरुआत की है बोलना. रघुनाथ कहता, निमाई मैंने आज तक ऐसी कोई चीज सुनी नहीं है. एंड आई कैन बेट फॉर इट, नो वन इन द वर्ल्ड इन द फ्यूचर विल बी एबल टू राइट समथिंग लाइक व्हाट यू हैव रिटन. This is going to be like an epitome for the future scholars to come, especially in the spiritual arena. पर रघुनाथ उसके बाद उदास हो गया, यहाँ तक रोने लग गया. उसके हाथ में एक पुस्तक थी. He had a book and he hid his book behind his hands. Nimai said, what are you hiding, Raghunath? Raghunath said, even I wrote a book, Nimai, but after listening to your philosophy, अब मेरे को शक हो रहा है कि कोई मेरी किताब पढ़ेगा या नहीं पढ़ेगा. I have a doubt, will anyone read my book or not? Hearing this and seeing Raghunath crying, Nimai did something that you cannot imagine. Something completely out of the box. निमाई की इतने साल की मेहनत है, उन्होंने कितने क्रिएटिव आइडियाज उस बुक के अंदर लिखे हुए थे. लेकिन जब उन्होंने देखा कि मेरा दोस्त रो रहा है, निमाई ने क्या किया? उस पुस्तक के टुकड़े कर दिए. He ripped them in pieces and he threw all of them in the holy water of the Ganges. Raghunath said, what are you doing, Nimai? What are you doing? All your creative ideas, all your creative instincts, all your creative philosophy is going in the river. What are you doing? Don't do this. Nimai said, what is the use of such creativity if it's bringing lamentation and tears in your eyes? Don't worry, one day or the other, if my creative skills, if my creative, institutions are always with me, I will one day or the other create something new and something more better than this. So today I stand in front of you to share a little bit about how creativity transforms you from the ordinary to the extraordinary. But ये सिर्फ बोलने से नहीं होगा. आप सोचोगे लंबी लंबी फेंक रहे हैं. There has to be some structure, there has to be some practical application. So I'm going to share some very powerful sutras because people think creators, ये creativity ना, talent, ये जो talent है ना, ये जन्म से मिलती है. ये hallmark है किसका? Artist लोगों का. Some scientist is there and he's creating some new formula. You might be thinking, this word creativity means, people will think about Steve Jobs, about Picasso, about the latest iPhone 16, कितनी creativity अब नई कुछ आई है. तो लोगों को लगता है ये ना सिर्फ influencers के लिए, content creators के लिए है ये शब्द creativity. I want to break this taboo for you. I want to remind all of you, creativity is not about making something new. Creativity is actually about revealing something divine that you already have within, but you need to tap that. And I'll give you some powerful sutras. This whole thing starts with number 1, envision. You got to envision it. कोई vision होना चाहिए life में. जिसके life में कोई goal ही नहीं है, वो डब्बा goal है, कहते हैं. So you have to envision something. You have to have an idea. There has to be some mental picture over there. If that is missing, trust me, you might have the talent of becoming a creator or doing something creative. It will not produce. The first stage is envisioning your idea. Once you have envisioned something practical, something mentally, then the second step comes. The second step is knowing the process, knowing why you are creating what you are creating. बहुत सारे लोग हैं, वो बहुत कुछ बनाते हैं, create करते हैं, लेकिन उनको ये नहीं पता हम कर क्यों रहे हैं. They're just doing it for the sake of doing it. When you know your why, मैं ये क्यों कर रहा हूँ, then उसमें जो जोश आता है उसको करने को, जो जनून आता है, वो 10 गुना बढ़ जाता है. For example, I was in Cornell University in the USA. I did my MBA from US. When I came back, I adopted spirituality. I knew my why. I went, I met to the youth, I went in colleges, I went in schools. I felt कि यार जो आज का generation है उसको लगता है मंदिर जाना, तिलक लगाना, धोती लगाना, एक simple राधे राधे बोलना, यार ये तो outdated है. This will not make me, in the league. It will not keep me in the league. लोगों को लगेगा अरे यार तू क्या है यार ये, मतलब तू क्या है यार, चल यार, let's go for a party. I'm not against parties, but I'm just saying, you understand what I'm saying? People, or when I met people, and especially the youth, they were not even trying to understand their own dharma. Then I asked myself, मेरा why क्या है? मैंने ये कपड़े क्यों पहने? मैंने तिलक क्यों लगाया है? तो आंसर मिला कि मेरे को ये पूरा का पूरा जो सोच है बदलनी है. मेरे को बताना है सभी youth को कि जो आनंद भक्ति में है, the transcendental pleasure that you get in spirituality, you will not find anywhere. You may become the most richest man on this earth. You may become the most famous man on this planet. You may be the most beautiful person living. But until unless you are not spiritually inclined, one day or the other, stress is coming for you. Ladies and gentlemen, please listen to me very carefully. They say people are very well dressed, very well dressed. People are stressed, depressed, yet they are well dressed. ऊपर ऊपर से दिखा देंगे आपको कि हमसे सुंदर तो कोई नहीं है, लेकिन अंदर किसी की फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम्स, किसी की हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम्स, किसी की इमोशनल इश्यूज, किसी का फैमिली में कोई कॉन्फ्लिक्ट. So I decided my why is going to be a bit different, and I'm going to change, and I'm at least going to try to change the method of spirituality. Number 1 is envisioning. आपको सोचना पड़ेगा. दूसरा है, you have to know what you are envisioning and why you are making that creation. So I knew my why. Next, third is, you have to take risk. जब आप किसी चीज़ को बनाने की कोशिश करते हो, when you try to create something, guys, you will have to face a lot of difficulties, a lot of risk. I stand in front of you, multiply breaking my right knee 3 times. I recently got a surgery because I took my journey into 3 phases. What is GKD about? It's about talks. I am standing in front of you, I am giving a talk. I give talks, I do tracks. शुरू होने से पहले मैंने एक सुंदर सा श्लोक गाया था. So I sing bhajans, that is tracks. And after this, when my speech is over, I have to travel to a new place to sing some bhajan, to do some kirtan. So I do talks, travel and tracks. And boss, when you do these 3 things, so whatever you're doing, there's going to be a high risk. When I talk about risk, it reminds me of one of the most prominent ambassadors of spirituality. His name is Srila Prabhupada ji. Srila Prabhupada ji, at the age of 70 saal ka vyakti who has no beauty, who has no strength, he wants to go to America. And he didn't go by flight. He went by a ship. In a cargo ship for 1 month, he faced 3 heart attacks. Srila Prabhupada, when landed in America, he did not know where to go, right or left. Different culture, different country, different language, different people, different food. But that did not stop him. He did not look at the difficulties, he looked at the possibilities. Prabhupada ji wahan par gaye. Now see the creation, now see creativity kaise aati hai. Prabhupada ji ek aisi philosophy ko lekar ja rahe hain, Sanatan Dharma ko, which is 5,000 years old. Someone will think, this guy is crazy, 70 saal ka vyakti hai, kya karega jaakar? Prabhupada saw that these guys like rock and roll. Prabhupada gave them kirtan. नाचना ही है ना, गानों पे, कीर्तन पे नाचो. Prabhupada saw they like to eat. They like to eat. So let's give them sattvic bhojan. Prabhupada introduced sattvic bhojan. Prabhupada saw they're all mentally stressed. He started preaching the message of Bhagavad Gita. And gradually people came in and they started, following him. And now, this society, the International Society for Krishna Consciousness, people know it as ISKCON. It's in every nook and corner of the world. I'm speaking right now. Someone in America, someone in, New Zealand, someone in China is waking up and they're chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Just because of one thing, creativity. When Prabhupada went to America, he had 3 things. He had Krishna's blessings, he had the Shastras, and he had creativity. He wanted to do something different, something out of the league. A lot of risk came, yet Prabhupada stood there. So this is called facing difficulties, facing risks. The next point is talk, observe. अब आपके पास आइडिया आ गया, आप कुछ क्रिएटिव करना चाह रहे हैं, ठीक है? You also know why you are doing what you are doing. You are also ready to take up the risk. But with creativity, the topic today that we have, creativity के साथ एक बहुत बड़ी चीज आती है और वो है stress, tension. Creativity is often accompanied with a lot of stress because when your creative formula or your idea does not come in practical application, then comes stress. You are alone in the room in your house. यार ये कैसे होगा, ये कैसे बढ़ेगा, कौन सी मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटजी लगानी पड़ेगी, बॉस क्या करूं मैं? उस समय क्या करोगे आप? उस समय कहा जाता है talk it out. Can any one of you please tell me, think about it for a second, who are the most creative creatures in the world? Anyone wants to guess? Most creative creatures in the world. Children. The children are the most creative creatures in the world. Because why? They don't bother about thinking what I am asking. They will ask the most unusual questions. They do not bother about the future. They do not bother about the outcome. They do not bother about the failure. उनको क्या मतलब है? So children create and create. Similarly, when you start creating something or the other, a lot of setbacks will come, a lot of difficulties will come. At that time, The whole Bhagavad Gita, the whole Bhagavad starts with a question. धृतराष्ट्र पूछ रहे हैं संजय से, धर्म क्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे समावेत युत्सवः मामका पांडवश्चैव किम अकुर्वत संजय। अर्जुन भगवान श्री कृष्ण से क्या पूछ रहे हैं? कार्पण्य दोष उपहत स्वभाव पृच्छामि त्वं धर्म सम्मूढ़ चेतः यच्छ्रेयस्य निश्चितं ब्रूहि तन्मे शिष्यास्ति हम साधु माम ताम प्रपन्नम। हे कृष्ण, I have lost my composure. I do not know what to do. I am in delusion. Please show me the way. So ladies and gentlemen, when you are making an idea, when you're coming up with something new, something out of the box, whenever you feel a setback, some difficulty, talk. If you don't talk, you're going to definitely go in depression. I also went in depression. आप बोलोगे धोती वाले डिप्रेशन में जा रहे हैं भाई साहब, तो हमारी क्या हालत होगी? Let's be realistic. Let's be realistic. I put up my content on social media, on YouTube. एंड एनी XYZ गाय, जब आप कोई वीडियो डालते हो ना यूट्यूब पे, तो भाई साहब आप चाहते हो कि कुछ तो व्यूज़ आए, कितने कमेंट्स आ रहे हैं, कितने शेयर आ रहे हैं, पूरी ज़िंदगी निकल गई इसी में लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब। ये वीडियो भी अपलोड होएगी, वहाँ पर भी वो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब इसी में चल रहा है। छोटे छोटे बच्चे स्ट्रेस में है, टेंशन में है कि मेरा कॉन्टेंट पॉपुलर हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है। राइट? एम आई राइट और नॉट? प्लीज टेल मी येस और नो। So when this situation comes, please consult your guru, means your counselor. Please consult your parents. Please consult a very dear friend of yours. But never let your creativity die. And before I end my talk, I want you all to remember to take a calm breathe. And before you leave this place today, I want you all to completely remember forever that creativity is not inborn. कभी कभी हमें पता क्या लगता है, यार ये कितना क्रिएटिव है यार, क्या आइडिया लेके आता है यार, हद है यार। ऐसा नहीं है, it's not like that. This is a taboo that creativity is born with some people and it is not born with some people. No, creativity is a skill. If you nurture it properly, if you develop it properly, if you practice it properly, then it will definitely make you from the ordinary to the extraordinary. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Thank you for having me over. Hare Krishna.